Mabuhay Manila, this is Ishadel from ManilaShaker.com. We're back again with another alternative for quitting cigarettes. This is the Piin and the MOTI Classic. These are types of vapes that help you quit your daily habit of smoking cigarettes to achieve a better and healthy lifestyle. We have two devices to review in this video, a disposable one and a rechargeable pod with pre-fill e-juice. So let's unbox it and see what the differences are between these devices. Motivapes bring a less hassle vaping without interruption if you are the type of person who only needs a user-friendly and enjoyable product. These devices we have might be the right choice for you. Disclaimer, if you are not a regular smoker, you don't need this product, but if you are a heavy smoker that wanted to quit your bad habit, try this one and start your healthy living. So first, we have the Piin, a disposable type of vape. It has a simple packaging with lots of information on the back. There's the specification on the top side and nicotine warnings, QR code, some numbers and stuff. Inside, there's the device with two silicone covers. Just remove it and start using the device. The Piin has a classy, minimal design, a glossy rounded whistle looking tip, and comes in a rubberized finish or glossy texture on the body depending on the flavor of choice. The bottom is the airflow that has an LED indicator that lights blue when you start to draw. It will give you at least 1 day of puffing with its 320 mAh battery and 1.6 ml juice. The MOTI Classic on the other hand is a chargeable device with replaceable pods. It has more information at the back, the specs, nicotine warning, product inclusion, and QR code on their website. Opening the cover, we will see the device itself, and underneath is a short micro USB cord and the free disposable pod. Just remove the cover, seal, and the silicone cover and insert it into the MOTI pod and start puffing it. We got the blue matte metallic finish, but there are other color variants to choose from. The design is also minimal and classy. On the bottom is the micro USB port for charging, and on the top portion is the contact and magnet that holds the pod, though it is not so tight, it wiggles a bit. There's also a light indicator in the middle that turns on when you draw. It is backed with 500 mAh battery that can last up to 600 puffs or at least 1 day of use and can be fully charged in almost 1 hour. Puffing these devices is easy and pretty straightforward. There are no voltage controls or any other technical settings and have no buttons either. It is just a draw activated pod. Just puff it and it will start producing vapor. There's a wide variation of MOTI e-juice available in either 0%, 2% or 5% nicotine salt. 5% salt nicotine is intense, especially when using the menthol flavors. 2% is just smooth that gives a soft throat hit. Though MG of nicotine depends on how you smoke cigarettes, so for beginners who are currently a heavy smoker and wants to transition to vape, we recommend getting the 5% Salt Nic as it is almost equivalent to a 1 pack of cigarettes a day. The Piin used to puff until you empty the 1.6 ml of e-juice and then properly dispose of it. Though I think the battery and the juice aren't equally consumed, after 1 day of using it, the juice was first to empty and it still has remaining battery. The MOTI pre-filled pods however have a ceramic coil technology which is very efficient and perfect for the 50-50 VGPG juice we have. It has 1.8 ml juice inside, and once the juice is empty, you can now properly dispose of the pod. Both can give you more than a day of puffing depending on how long you draw before you throw away the disposable pods. The Piin has tighter puffs while the MOTI Pod Classic gives a more solid throat hit with better airflow. Both give a comfortable experience without worries and will satisfy you in a safer way. Talking about the flavors, the Piin has 18 different flavors to choose from. We got 4 of them: strawberry ice, blueberry parfait, wine ice, and banana frost. While the MOTI Pod Classic has lots of different flavors as well. We have watermelon ice, lychee, banana frost, and booster. And this one we have on our kit is the tobacco flavor. The flavors are good and accurate. I'm not a fan of menthol flavors though, but it gives a great aftertaste and they produce good scents. On all flavors I tried, I'll pick the banana frost because even though it is menthol, it tastes sweet. So, why choose vape? Vaping is a therapy for you to completely stop using traditional cigarette. And as we said earlier, whether you are currently a vapor and currently in 12 mg of nicotine, or a heavy smoker that consumes 1 pack a day and wants to transition to vape, Moti juices comes in 5% to 0% Salt Nic. This means that it still has the haggard feel before 0% and is designed to mimic as close as possible to the smoking feels, but in a safer and comfortable way while giving worry less user experience. These are the devices that Moti offers. It's an easy and convenient way to quit smoking. Flavors have good scent and taste. The design is stylish, especially the rubberized texture of the Moti Piin that is not worthy to throw away. The build is compact that gives a premium feel. It is an enjoyable vaping alternative that consumers will appreciate. Moti Piin is priced around 350 pesos each. And the Moti Pod Classic device has a starting price of 1,200 pesos, and the set of 3 disposable pods is priced around 750 pesos, which is around 250 to 300 pesos per piece. Motivape is nearly priced as a pack of cigarettes, but the difference is it will surely give you lots of benefits and will surely motivate you to quit the bad habit. And that's our review of the Moti Piin and Moti Classic. If you want to double the pops, try using this Moti Piin Plus. The battery and the juice capacity are more than doubled compared to Moti Piin. And the Moti Mega is around in the middle. All of that will be covered in our written reviews on our website. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our reviews. Also, don't forget to visit manilashaker.com for more tech news reviews and comparison of the latest device. Again, this is Aishadel and mabuhay, Manila!